Thousands of dollars are being earned just by utilizing affiliate marketing and promoting your affiliate marketing product using the help of Facebook ads right now. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually go on to doing just that. So if you want to just simply learn this strategy, stick on, watch to the end, utilize this strategy and go on to making money online. And guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create lots of videos that can actually help you go on to boosting your income online. You can actually scroll through my channel, check out such videos as they can actually help you make a lot of income online. You may also want to just simply go on to subscribing to the channel and also make sure your notification bell is turned on all so that you can actually get alerted whenever I release some cool and amazing videos that could help boost your income online. And without further ado and much delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So the first thing which you actually want to do right now is to get an account created on an affiliate marketing platform. You can actually utilize this platform right here called Clickbank to go on to getting affiliate marketing products. So to register, click on start here, and if you do click on that right now, it's going to show you a pop-up where you can actually go on to answering the questions which will be asked by this particular platform right here. But what you want to do is to skip the quick start guide and go on to creating your account immediately. And in some cases right here guys, Clickbank are not actually available for all countries, which is why you can actually go on to using an alternative to Clickbank right now. And that alternative right here is actually called this platform Digistore24. And if you do head on to Digistore24, register for this platform also, get an account created. It's available for all countries and go on to getting some cool affiliate marketing product to promote. I'm going to be using the Clickbank right here, and if I do log into my account, you want to click on this affiliate marketplace, and that is actually going to lead you right here to this page. Once you do get to this page, you can focus on offers on any of these categories which you can see right here. Maybe you want to click on all. You'll be able to see all the categories available to you. Once you're selecting a subcategory which you want to just simply focus on, and supposing I want to focus on this health and fitness, I will be able to see products available to this particular niche right now or this particular category. If I want to just simply utilize this product which is Live Pure right now, I can actually do click on promote right here. All I need to do is actually insert my affiliate nickname right now to go on to generating my hop link. So once I do come right here, select my affiliate nickname and just simply create hop link, you can actually do see my hop link right here in this particular section. Copy that particular link and actually head on to pasting that in your notepad. So I'm just going to open my notepad right now, paste in that link right here because we're going to be utilizing that later on in the video. So once that has actually been done right now guys, the next step which you want to do is to go on to creating a simple landing page for this particular product. And you can actually use platforms like the Google site, the breezy.io or the systemy.io right here to go on to creating a simple landing page right now. And maybe if you're finding it difficult creating a landing page, you can actually come onto my channel, click on this search icon, and you want to just simply go on to type in a landing page. And once you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see some cool videos I created for you that can help you go on to boosting your income online by creating a simple landing page. This video right here shows you how you can create landing pages on the Google site right here. This one right here also for Google site. You can see this one right now is for the systemy.io. This is for Webflow, and if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see other cool videos that can actually help you go on to creating a simple landing pages right here, which I do have for you. So check out those videos, create a landing page for this particular affiliate marketing product. And next you want to just simply go onto your Google browser right now, and if you do head on to Google, search for the Facebook ads right now, you can see the first option right here. Select that. It's going to bring you to this page where if you already have your account registered on this particular platform or on this particular device, maybe your Facebook account already registered, you can just simply go onto the ads manager. And if you do that right now, it's going to bring you to a page such as this, and you actually need to have a page available on your Facebook right there. And if you do have a page right there where you can actually utilize, all you need to do is to click on create, and you want to just simply create a particular campaign right now, and you want to select the sales campaign right here. Click on continue. Once you do that right now, you can actually go on to setting your stuff up right here. So I'm just going to select the manual setup and actually do click on continue right here. And if I do click on continue right now, I can actually start providing details to my campaign right now. So you can actually do see right here, this is for the campaign name, and I'm just going to give this campaign name something like tutorial. So if I name it something like that right now, I can actually keep on going forward. You can see the categorize that you can actually categorize this ad right here, whether it's for employment, credit, housing, and social medias, and some other stuff right here. Just simply select one of these options right now. So you can actually go on further to the campaign details to edit the campaign objective. You could use a catalog if you do have one right now, and just simply focus on the basic details, which you can actually do see right here. I'm just going to click on next right now, and you can see right here I'm being brought to this page where I actually need to actually insert an ad set name. If I actually do have an ad set name, I can actually do one. If I want to create a template, I can just simply add a component and create a template of my choice. But right now, guys, I'm just going to give my ad set name something like test to actually make that available. Right now, for the conversion section, you can actually just see if you want to use a website, an application, a website and application, messaging apps, and call. I'm going to leave this on website right here, and you can see the performance goal to maximize number of conversions. You want to leave it as that right here. If you do have a pixels, you can actually go into creating one if you don't have one, but it's kindly advisable you actually create a pixels right here, because this is my new account right now. I don't actually have a pixels for this particular account. All you need to do is to actually enter your pixel name and actually do click on create pixel right now. And if you do that right here, the pixel has actually been created, and you want to just simply add in a website. If you don't have a website, just simply click on I don't have a website and continue, and you can write code or run return to creating your ad right now. So once that has actually been done right here, you want to just simply select the pixel which you actually added and go on to selecting the conversion event right now. Maybe I'm just going to select purchase right here, and once you do that right here, you can actually do put in the cost per goal result or cost per result goal right here, the amount that you are actually going to spend for the entire budget. This is actually how much you're going to spend right here. So if you actually do put in something like you can see right there, I actually fixed in an amount right now. You can see the budget schedule, how much I actually want to go on to spending each day. And guys, you may actually want to be using that kind of let me say $15 right here if you're actually a beginner, 10, 15, $20 right here if you're actually a beginner right here. But this is actually in a different currency right now, so I'm just gonna pick fixing something suitable to me. So once I do fixing something right there, for this start date, you can actually go on to inserting the start date right now. Insert that right here. You can actually do insert an end date, which is actually optional also, and you could increase your budget during specific time period if you want to. So just simply keep on scrolling through. Once you're done with this section, click on next right now, and you'll be actually taken to the next phase. Now, if you actually have an ad which you want to just simply utilize, you could create an ad name if you want to just simply use that right here. You could also add a template if you want to, and for this identity, you want to just simply select the Facebook page which you want to utilize. You could create one right here if you don't actually have one. You could come here for the ad setup right here and actually use, if you want to create an ad, you could create one. If you want to use an existing post, or you want to just simply use a Creative Hub mockup, you could utilize any of that right here. I'm going to leave this on create app, ad, and the manual upload right here. For the format, guys, you can actually do leave it on single image or video. So right here, guys, this is where you're actually going to create your ad just by adding an image right now, and you could just simply get some stuff that can help you promote this particular offer just by clicking on affiliate page right here. It's going to take you to the page where you actually do have some cool features that this particular platform or the particular people promoting or in charge of this particular product are actually helping you out with to help you go on to getting traffic to this particular product. As you can see right here, no more details about this right now. So all you need to do is to come right here yourself and actually do go on to getting an image which you want to utilize for this particular product. You could insert that. For the primary text, also insert that right there, and you could actually go on to inserting a headline right now. So if you just simply fill out these details, you could insert the description, you could select a call to action which you want to just simply utilize right now. Maybe you should just simply select any of the call to action, either the shop now, the sign up, watch more, or anyone right here that is actually suitable to you right here. But I'm just going to select something like book now or buy, something like related to that right now. So once you are done right here, this particular section which says website URL, this is the section which you want to paste in the link to your landing page right there, which you actually created for that affiliate marketing product. So once you do paste in that link right now, you could preview the URL if you want to right now, but the display link is actually optional. You can leave that as it is and actually go on to checking out other details in this particular section. So once you are done, guys, you can actually go on to clicking on publish to publish this on this platform and go on to getting a lot of traffic to your affiliate marketing product using the help of Facebook ads right now. So guys, if this video was actually helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. If you have any other question, just simply leave that in the comment section down below. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.